Are you ready to go?
Yes!
All right, let's go.
Welcome back to Milo's World. It's Milo and
Mommy. And today we're making
Cupcakes mixed to reveal. Can be
what does that
green
mean?
or pink.
It's a mystery, huh? I think it's gonna be green.
I think it's gonna be pink.
We'll see, huh? All right, we gotta read the directions. Heat oven to 350. So what are you doing right now?
Putting the cupcake muffins in.
Now, what ingredients do we need?
A cup of water, 3 tablespoons vegetable oil, 3 eggs, 1 milk cup.
All right, so step 1. Heat the oven to 350 degrees.
350 degrees? That sounds hot.
Step 2. Stir cupcake mix.
The cupcake.
Cupcake mix. Water, oil, and eggs in medium bowl and beat vigorously by hand for 2 minutes. Okay, this is the topping mix. So we do not add this. What's that outside? Does it have any little tear on it to make it easier to open?
Nope. Nope. I kind of want to drink the milk.
Don't do this at home.
Yes, do not do this. What's the recipe? A little bit. It's really good, but.
Whoa. Let's be careful. So
So good.
this step is you're stirring together a cupcake mix, the water, oil, and eggs in the bowl together, okay? Once you add the water, we're gonna see what color it is. Okay, will
It's
you
like dye, but it's good dye.
go ahead and pour the water and we're gonna find out what color it is, I'm pretty sure.
Pink.
Ching ching!
I'm right.
You're right!
Pink.
Good job. All right, now add the, no, don't add the milk.
Hi, you.
Phew, that was a close one. Gonna add 3 tablespoons.
Mouse watering bowl. Even though it's not edible, it still looks very, very edible.
If this is 4 tablespoons,
Almost dropped it.
we'll do 3/4 of this to make 3. Okay,
Oh, now it looks less edible. Just on that side of this.
all right. You know how to crack eggs?
Yes.
Okay, but here's the trick, because you don't want to accidentally get eggshell in here. So you want to crack the egg into here. Oh, that's good. And then break it open.
I'm not getting messy.
There is an eggshell in here, and I'll scoop it out. Do you know what's the best thing to use to scoop out an eggshell?
What?
An eggshell. But if you try to scoop it out like with your hand or a spoon, it won't scoop out. But if you use an eggshell, this eggshell picked up the little piece of eggshell. Life hack.
Life hack. ASMR bowl.
So
Whoa.
that's one way to break an egg.
I'm just gonna use my hands.
We're just gonna wash our hands really quick. Be right back.
First you just put in a little bit of water, then you get soap. A little bit of wine.
How long should we wash our hands for?
As long as the happy birthday sound.
Okay, done.
Okay. Now we gotta wash it off.
Okay. Time to mix it all up. Dump those eggs that you cracked in there.
Now the strawberry milk is just going into a gloppy mess of horror. Look, literally looks like puke.
Ew.
Why are you showing the kids that?
Look, kids, it looks like puke.
joke.
Now it looks like Pepto-Bismol. Now, see, this is like a pour spout. You don't want to fill it all the way to the top. 3 tablespoons each. Okay, it doesn't have to be perfect. It can be messy. So, lift the cup up so it drizzles. Oh my god. Why did Snoop Dogg have an umbrella?
Huh?
For drizzle.
Whoa. When it goes fast, I'm like, whoa. Whoa.
Okay, now we can put this in the oven.
Yay. 13 to 18 minutes. We're gonna wait 13 minutes. He'll be right back.
You smell it. Reminds me of Easy Bake Oven.
It's good. Easy Bake Oven is a bad toy now.
Yeah.
Yeah, Katie showed it. I like Easy Bake Oven.
I wanted one for so long, and then I finally got one, and it was terrible.
Whipped toppings. Let's party with you. Show. Yay.
Yay! How are you gonna get down? I don't know. This is gonna add some air to it and make it nice and fluffy. Now we do it for medium speed for 2 whole minutes. Okay, good job. You made whipped cream, dude. Tastes like Cool Whip. Just never do that when it's still on the... Okay guys, watch this.
Are you gonna do it?
I just did it, look. Alright, and we have to let the cupcakes cool all the way before adding the whipped topping. Otherwise, it'll melt right off. Plastic wrap.
Whee! It'll make it! Oh, it'll make it!
3 minutes and 40 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 76, 77, 78, 79, 50, 51, 52, 53, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 4, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 136, 137. Ooh, I stopped at 7 because I'm 7 years old. And this seems to be our old ones, I think.
Oh, they're not quite done. I can see they're still wet in the middle. Let's do 3 more minutes. He's a fiend for it. This may or may not work.
Oh, no.
Oh, it doesn't look as cool on top. Milo, your job is to...
Eat it.
So you squeeze from this top part here, so it goes down. And then let's...
I'm just gonna have.
Yeah, you don't have to do Salt Bay. Look at us, we're a good team, huh?
That's a good one.
Watch your elbow. What do you think?
That's good.
Alrighty. What did you think about this cupcake kit? Was it fun?
It definitely didn't feel like a kit, but it definitely was fun.
And was it easy or was it hard?
Oh, it was easy.
Alright. And is it delicious? Let's not get our
You don't want to know,
messy
but it's
pantry.
too good to even say.
It's too good to even say. Would you recommend other people to try it? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. I want to do it again and see if we can get a green, because I think the green would have been really cool. Is this for me?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. This one was my favorite one.
It is.
Yeah.
See you next time. See you on our next baking show. See you guys. Peace.